Alright, welcome back. In this part we're going to highlight the active rows and active colors. So I don't need this and I need this. I should go to the colors, and here I need to get the color from the app state. Exactly, so app state from the use app context. For whatever reason this is not working, but I know that I should import it here. So use app context. This should be from like 2 levels up, then the context and then the context. Right, and here for our circle we need to have a class. So we would say that if the app state and then the current color, which we defined here, is the same as the color that we are in, then this should be active. Otherwise it has no class, so to say. Okay, so now I have the class name, but I need to add it to the circle as well. So if I go here, if you look, you can see that the circle has the class name, but this class name should be used in the rendering of the circle. So I would go to the circle as well, and I would add the class name, and I would say if the class name exists, then add it, otherwise add nothing. Okay, so it should work now. Yeah, you can see that this circle is now blue. If I go here and change this to I don't know, green, then this one will be green. Okay, so this part is working perfect. Next part is to show the active row or the current row. Okay, so I don't need these two. I would go to the rows, and here, instead of just saying this is a row, I need a string literal. So this is always a row, but if it's the current row, then it should have another class. So if index is the same as current row, which I will define up, then this should be active, otherwise it's the same. But what is the current row? I would get the app state from the use app context, and I need to include it here, so import and I can say that current row should be taken out from the app state, like so, and this one should be the active one. So if I go back and not the secret, not the colors, but the rows, this row is the active row, which is correct. Of course, I need to define the active CSS. So let's go to the rows.css, and here I can say that the row which is active should take these three rules: have a border, the cursor should be default, which means that I can click, and the pointer events is all, so the rest of the rows are not clickable. Only the active one is clickable. So if I go back, you can see that the row is like active now, and they are clickable, which we'll do later. Okay, so this part is also done. In the next video, we will update the active state by like clicking on these so that we can update these colors. Right, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.